Alright, YouTube. I made a little mold to start making adobe in. The ratios I'm going to be using to mix this adobe is I got a bucket of straw. Alright, so that's 1 part straw, bucket of water, 1 part water, and 3 buckets of soil. So it's a 1, 1, 3. We're going to test this out and see how it goes, and so I'll keep you updated. Yeah, this is very wet. I'm gonna add another bucket of soil. So yeah, I'm not doing this on camera. All right. So I got about 11 adobes here. Yeah, you'll notice they're all spaced out, all weird, because this isn't level here. It's flat compared to the rest of the terrain, right? But it's nowhere near level, so I did have to add some more water, and this is what's left over. So it seems like a pretty good ratio, 1 to 4 plant fiber to soil, and then water as needed. Yep. Alright, YouTube, another day. I flipped these adobes over so that they would dry faster. Here is the test adobe I made the other day, and you know, I'm shaking it, and a lot of dust is coming off, but this thing has really good compression. Oh, I'm squeezing this thing. That thing has good compression. You know, so I'm seeing all these cracks and whatnot, and I'm, you know, I'm a little worried about them, but at the end of the day, they're all going to be mortared together, and I don't think there's going to be a lot of shearing force on these guys, right? I think it's going to be mainly compression. So yeah, and then over here got some more work done on the foundation. All the trenches are dug pretty much, and this is a lot more leveled out. Could I go down more? Probably. Am I gonna? No. Is this good enough? Yeah, pretty sure it'll be good enough for what I'm gonna build. Alright, YouTube. Another day. You got a lot of these adobes flipped over and they're starting to dry out nice. Cleaned up the corners, and yeah, I'll just put that back into the next batch. Here's my initial test. Alright. You see that came apart, but I stepped on this thing, right? I stepped on this thing. I put all of my weight, mind you, I'm not a small guy. I put all my weight on it on an uneven, unlevel surface, and it, you know, it held up fairly well. I say, is it just, yeah, that just broke. Anyhow, it did pretty well. It's not going to be going under that kind of stress. And yeah, so I'm going to show you what I got done here. Started working on a little bit of a path, picked up more stones, and here we go. We're making progress on this foundation. Got all this drainage rock put down. It's all sloped coming down here, right? So this rectangle is going to be the foundation. This is going to be the drainage, and I'm going to have to divert this this ditch into all these pines. The juniper doesn't need the water, but I want the pine to have this water. Yep, path's coming along. Went out, got some more stones. Got a bunch of large stones here for the cornerstones, right? And I got some lines laid. So yeah, construction's going to be beginning very soon. But yeah, that's it for this video.